Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. Not something we'd normally be working on, but you know, we like to help everybody. Unfortunately, this gal, Michelle, she lived up in Pacific Palisades, and they were doing their own little conversion deal, and they had bought Renergy lithium batteries and an inverter and solar panel kit, and that horrible fire came through, and so they were able to get in the van and get out of town in the van, and unfortunately the stuff was at her mom's house, the new Renergy stuff. Well, we know the story there. Unfortunately, her mom's house burned down, and a lot of people houses around there, and horrible deal. So Michelle had contacted us on our info page on our deal, and I got back to her and we started chatting, and she told me her story, and I felt horrible for her. And, obviously, unfortunately, she's on a tight budget. I think she's a college gal, and wants to go do a little traveling and moving and grooving before she gets her professional life started. And unfortunately, got her legs kicked out from under. And so I said, hey, listen, I go, we do a lot of upgrades and upfits on these things, and let me see what I've got laying around for some parts that we've taken out. So fortunately, we just done a big upgrade on an Airstream, and we took 4 Battleborn batteries out of it and put some big 480 amp Epic batteries in it. And so I had those, and I had another inverter that was out of another rig that we upgraded to a bigger inverter. I had some solar panels laying around. I think the only thing that I had to buy new for was a charge controller for the solar. So Joel's in there finishing up the install, and we'll get this thing back to her. And I'm hoping to just charge her a little bit for labor, and make her dream come true, and a little help here from OCRV. So you got any solar battery? We really like doing the solar inverter battery upgrade stuff on any vehicle, where it be a Class C, B, large Class A trailers. We're here to help. And so come see us at OCRV for all your RV collision repair, upgrades, solar and lithium battery needs, and we'd be happy to help. Come see us.